Welcome to the 2011 Think Auto event. This is actually our 4th year running. We're just absolutely thrilled to see you.
I'm going to explain to you the art of enchantment, how to be enchanting, and particularly from a car perspective, because I love cars. When you enchant your customer, life becomes easier. They'll buy more products and services from you, they'll continue to be a customer, they'll spread the word for you.
At a company that's, large and talks a lot about billions and digits and numbers and data, it's extremely important that, especially if you're in the marketing function, you keep reminding people that actually we're trying to solve for one real user. And that one real user is, guess what, not an engineer in the Bay Area.
Where are they going for information? This is a really important question. Is the physical store also on your marketing calendar?
The Google attitude that I heard today, which is mobile first, is very similar to the way we approach it at Mazda. More and more businesses and more consumer activity happens on whatever the most convenient screen is.
You just can't make assumptions about users and what they're going to want to do. You really need to do a lot of research, talk to people, try to find out why they're doing, what they're looking for, and then tailor your strategy to meet those needs.
We spend a lot of time trying to manipulate. What can we do to get people to shop this weekend? What bait can I throw out that will get the fish to bite? What this study tells us is the shopper has moved.
Whether it's a movie, a car, dinner, feedback is everywhere. And so if we're not listening, everyone else is. So those are your choices. You have to listen and respond and react.
We sit in a world that's very complex. Shoppers can draw down on influence across traditional media like advertising. They can also connect with each other in more powerful and profound ways than we've ever seen before.
People literally in their pocket are going to carry the world.
It's all about trust between the brand and the consumer and the brand, and that we have to give you something that you enjoy and then you'll give us your business. So at the end of the day, all we're doing is relating with people.
I think that the catalyst for innovation really comes out of companies, frankly, like Google, right, that bring new innovative ideas to the table, and that begins to stem certain amounts of competition.
Real innovators are going to take what we learned today and put it into practice. Literally take that information and build on it.
You can listen to, I think, people tell you what to do to evolve a revolution and to extend the revolution. But the start of a revolution, I think, comes from inside your own organization.